Oh, that's a big one.
Oh, we're eating that.
Oh. What's up guys, it's Burrow Bass in here. We're back at it again with another video. This time we're going to be fishing in Ian's pond. He recently just moved to a new house and he has a pond here. This is going to be John and Hudson's first time fishing here, but Ian's fished here a couple times. There's plenty of big bass and crappie in the pond. I'm going to be using a Senko and a Googan bait trench hog, and they're going to be using the same things, but hopefully we'll get some good luck.
I like this pond.
One shot of fish get wet.
I think I got it, yes.
Oh, it's big. Big. Oh, oh, come on.
Dude.
Cast right back. Cast right back. That was like a
Bro moments.
That was like a 3-pounder, didn't it?
Yeah. Oh.
That's nice.
No, Hudson, let me see.
You got a video?
Yeah.
Alright guys, I just caught this pound, looks like £1.5 fish. Nice large bass. We're gonna go wait on him, then we'll release. Alright, so it's cleared out and it's gonna weigh 1 pound 3 ounces.
Alright, nice fish.
I thought he was bigger, but these fish fight hard in here. We're gonna get a nice release. There he goes.
Oh, there we go.
He's big. No, he's not. I thought he was big. I can't tell. I think he's like a 3.
It could be a crappie. No, it's not. It's bass.
I'm glad it's a bass. Alright, Johnny, can you grab him?
Yeah. Just get him close.
Nice.
That's bigger than you thought it was.
Bigger than I thought. That's a.
Wait, did you foul hook him?
Yes.
Nah, that was good.
Look, no, look
at him backwards.
Look at the side though. Look at the side.
Huh.
I know he striked at it, but
I think he bit it.
as long as it's around the mouth, it's not a foul hook.
Right there.
And he's got like a little growth right there.
That's about
or that's like an ulcer, right?
Yeah, I think he.
It's like either an ulcer or cancer.
All right. Get him on the scale. I think he's 2-1.
I'd say 3.
Ooh.
Or
114. Oh, that is just. We'll call him a 2-pounder. That is very close. Can we cut the clip?
No, let's release him.
I gotta get a picture.
Oh yeah. Like right there.
Ooh.
It's got a little dent in it. I've seen them like that before.
You got it.
Yeah, it's good.
Alright. We can get him released.
He must live over there because he's really dark.
Yeah. Bye bye fishy. Get bigger and we'll catch you when you get bigger. Let's catch some more.
That's a big one.
Oh, we're eating that.
I've never caught a crappie before.
Holy crap, we're eating that. We're eating that.
I don't even know if I got it that one.
That's a white crappie.
That thing's a slab.
Hey, we got on video?
Yeah, I wasn't videoing a lot of it, but I got some of it.
Oh, that's like a pound. That's over a pound.
You want to weigh it?
Yeah, we can weigh it. Oh.
Can you can probably fillet this.
Yeah, that's the best. Crappie is the best tasting freshwater fish.
I've never caught a crappie
Arguably.
before.
You had the hook out?
Yeah.
Got a crappie. We're eating that. Alright, John.
We are eating it?
Yeah. Ian, you want to eat it?
We want it?
Gosh, that's a
that is huge. I think it's over a pound. You got your video now?
Yeah, I am.
All right, let's see it. Ooh, over a pound. 1 pound 2 ounces.
Here. Oh. I got it.
Yeah, put it back in.
Yeah, it needs to be like
straight on it.
Crappie in a pond.
Just straight on it. Move your other hand's awkward. Move your hand behind you. Yeah. Let him move it. Like. All right, there.
All right. Gonna get a release on this crappie. Oh.
This is white crappie.
There you
He
go.
took off.
Smooth.
Fred.
I might just catch one more. Oh. Oh, that thing's
Not
bound.
bad.
Yeah, that's a good jump.
Stay down. Don't jump again. I don't want to lose you.
Whoa, buddy, that's the biggest one.
The same one.
Wait, does it have
No,
the
it's not,
cancer
no,
on
it's
it?
not.
Oh, that's just different than the one I
That's
caught.
bigger than the one you caught before.
Yeah. I can't just.
Here.
Oh, got it. I got it. You get a weight.
Sure.
Let's get like a good thumbnail.
If you're gonna take a picture with the other side.
113. Yeah, take it sideways. Will you be in my photograph?
What the heck? How in the world?
Got more line.
I know I had a fish on there.
Sideways. We gotta get a good thumbnail for you.
There was a fish on there at one point.
Let me do this. You didn't defend. You just stood there and waited for people to pass the ball to him.
You can't. I'm like. Oh.
Got one. Oh, big.
No.
Big.
How many times do I have to lose a fish? What the heck?
Wait a little bit longer to a bigger hook. That was huge.
No, it was like the same size. I've lost, how many is that? 3 over there, 2 over here, 1 over there, that's 6.
Are you still recording?
Why is
Yes.
Shakir in 1A?
He's not.
3A?
Yeah, 3.
Oh, I got another one.
Ooh. Recording?
Yeah. I've got the whole thing this time.
Ooh, nice.
I think.
For you. Oh, it's bigger. Oh,
Bruh.
It looked like it was 2 or 3.
I've lost like 5 fish today.
I might have to split. Can I borrow one of those, John?
Yeah. They're in my tackle box.
Got video rolling? Video rolling?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh, that's a good pull one up.
I got him.
That's probably 2 pounds.
I wasn't even. I forgot to start recording.
You weren't recording?
I did record some of it.
Pop right out.
Alright, we can just put it back in. I don't care about weighing it.
It's probably, I think that's pound and a half.
Yeah, I'll let you release it so the camera can see it.
There you go.
Nice. On that thing you gave me for my birthday. The. Yeah.
These fish fight hard.
I thought he was.
Y'all saw the fish turn, didn't you?
I'm about to do like 2 more casts and then call it quits.
Oh. Big. They came off. Oh. Look what he did.
I've just lost so many fish that I'm about to rage for. I'm just not playing.
Oh, we got one. Nice. Leave it down.
I can't lose this fish. I can't lose this fish.
Move it aside. Pull it up. Nice.
I'm leaving on this.
It's like a pounder. A little pound maybe.
Okay, camera. I am now 3 for 13. I think.
Camera, I'm 0 for 1.
That's your third. And I caught 3. That's number 6 of the day.
You
You didn't get a picture with it?
No, I'll just put it. I'll just pause it.
Put it in the live well overnight.
Wait, do you want to put it in like the smaller area?
Yeah. So let's do that.
Or is there already fish there?
I don't know. Let's go.
I'm sure there's fish there already, but you know what, just one more. Taking you on an adventure.
We're not disclosing the state that we were in because we're not really going to the state. What? We're not disclosing our location. Don't look up the name of our book. What? You want to put it in this ditch? It would die. It's too shallow.
No, it's only fish.
The drainage systems are connected.
Oh yeah, it'll definitely live.
They'll live in here easy. But why am I in another pond? See if there's anything in here. Take it one cast. I don't get anything. Probably caught 3 fish in it though.
That probably needs help unloading that fruit.
You know what we could do? We could do a time lapse of us like casting and stuff back there.
I gave up, so.
I give up. I'm up. I'm up and giving.
For fishing?
I'm coming back tomorrow.
I got.
Got it.
Come on, John. We hope you enjoyed our video. We caught 6 fish total. I caught 3 bass.
I caught 2 bass and 1 crappie.
I caught 0 fish.
And I lost 7 fish.
Yeah, so it wasn't the best day, but we caught a lot of fish between 1 and 2 pounds. Yeah, we'll see you next time. Comment what type of video you want to see below, and follow us on Instagram at @BroBassin. It's in the description.
You're gonna have to cut that out.